If when you turn your dryer on, put it on a cycle, and press the start button, the dryer won't do anything, it won't start. The problem could be a bad door switch, and I'm going to show you next how to check it and replace it if you need to. Let's start by disconnecting the dryer from the wall outlet. Keep the dryer disconnected from the wall outlet. I'll let you know when you need to connect it back on. Next, you need to remove the top panel. To be able to remove the top panel, you will need to remove these 3 screws. Go ahead and remove the screws. To remove the top panel, do the following. Pull it out a little bit, lift it up, and take it out. Next, you need to remove these 2 screws. Unhook these tabs to separate the control panel from the holding bracket. Remove the controls panel from the holding bracket and lay it down on top of the dryer like this. Disconnect the wire harness from the door switch. Put the door switch wire harness on top of the drum. Take a piece of solid copper wire and flatten the ends like this to make a jumper wire. You will need it to bypass the door switch. Connect the jumper wire between the terminals of the yellow and white wires, like this. Put the controls panel in place, but don't screw the holding screws on it. Tape the door switch wire harness with the jumper wire on it to the control panel like this. This will keep it away from the drum. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet. And try the dryer to see if it works now. If the dryer starts working okay, then you know for sure that the problem is a bad door switch and you need to replace it. Turn the dryer off. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. To replace the door switch, do the following. Open the dryer door. Push on this tab with a screwdriver. And remove the switch. To install the new switch, just put it through the hole, push it until it snaps in place, and close the dryer door. Put the door switch wire harness close to the switch, and connect the wire harness to the door switch. Install the controls panel. Screw in these 2 screws. Put the top panel in place. Screw in the top panel holding screws. And you're done checking and replacing the door switch. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet. And try the dryer to see how it works. That was the way to check and replace the door switch. Bypassing the door switch should only be done for testing purposes and not as a repair. If your door switch is bad, please replace it with a new one, and that way you and your family will be safe. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.